WGAN Forum Podcast number 168. Wednesday, February 15, 2023.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport to add super powerful search/navigation features powered by AI or ML/AR. Commentary by Dan Smigrod, founder and managing editor. We Get Around Network Forum and WGAN TV podcast. Matterport will upgrade Matterport Showcase Player to include native wayfinding and search powered by machine learning, according to a rumor at GeoWeek in Denver Tuesday, February 14, 2023. By the end of 2Q23, I anticipate that Matterport will launch a drop-down search bar in Matterport Showcase Player that lists items and locations identified in the space by machine learning and then, via an augmented reality wayfinding experience, enable the viewer to walk from their existing destination to the drop-down menu selection location. Initially, the items and spaces identified will focus on real estate spaces and by the end of 2023 include spaces that are unique to the AEC, architects, engineers and construction-related spaces. The introduction of these super powerful search and navigation features will add huge value to Matterport and help Matterport differentiate its platform from 200 other 3D and 360 virtual tour platforms/software. For clarification, as of today, February 15, 2023, Matterport has not announced the additions of native wayfinding and pull-down menu search via a predefined list of objects or spaces identified by AI powered by a machine learning training set. Matterport did scheduled maintenance on Monday, January 30, 2023 that included by.matterport.com, my.matterport.com, Showcase, Ingest, and API. This scheduled maintenance may help enable these new features. I could imagine that Matterport is close to completing a machine learning training set that then will enable Cortex Matterport's AI, artificial intelligence, engine to locate pre-identified rooms or objects in spaces that users would likely want to identify quickly and walk to quickly. For example, imagine that a home buyer wants to immediately go to the largest bedroom in the house or show all fireplaces. What's likely taking longer is building out a machine learning training set for AEC to enable Matterport Showcase Player to include a drop-down search bar that includes spaces or objects of interest to the AEC community. In 2024, Matterport's technology roadmap includes enabling the user to identify an object by drawing a circle around an object and then have the Matterport Cortex AI locate more of the same object in the Matterport Showcase Player. While Matterport partners such as Capture3D already offer wayfinding within a Matterport tour, I could imagine that Matterport including native wayfinding to the Matterport Showcase Player will democratize wayfinding for all users of Matterport digital twins. I could imagine that Matterport is using a combination of internal and external machine learning and AI tools to add these new features. For example, Matterport acquired InView to bring powerful property insights and analytics to millions of digital twins. And Amazon offers an API for identifying objects in space. The acquisition of the technology and team will enable Matterport to speed the development of its next-generation spatial data analytics platform that optimizes the operations and management of any physical space, while providing powerful insights and building intelligence, said Matterport in its media release, January 5, 2022. Together, Matterport plus InView, we can deliver breakthrough building analysis and data insights to our customers including automated building inspections, AI-powered space planning, and property utilization analysis to deliver operating efficiencies in a completely digital environment, said Matterport Chairman and CEO RJ Pittman in the same media release. AI, machine learning and AR were recurring themes in GeoWeek conference sessions. Based on these sessions, Matterport is one of many spatial data companies that are, or will, leverage machine learning training sets to teach AI what objects to search for, locate how to get there and include counting of similar objects at scale. In the GeoWeek session on AI and machine learning opportunities for geospatial data, AI and machine learning examples included 1. Scanning to counting traffic lights in a week versus 2 years of one person walking a city. 2. Identifying broken telephone poles by comparing before and after hurricane imagery. I have always thought that the value of Matterport is its spatial data for enterprise at scale, even more so than the visual walkthrough experience. And it seems like Matterport is poised to unlock the value in the spatial data collected by the Matterport Pro 2 and Pro 3 cameras and BLK 360 first generation scanner. At Hopscotch Interactive founder Emily Ullman interviewed me at GeoWeek about the rumor that I heard. Once she posts her video to the Hopscotch Interactive YouTube channel, I will post it to this WGAN forum discussion. What are your thoughts on Matterport meets wayfinding, machine learning, artificial intelligence, in general, or these rumored Matterport showcase player features described above?